Here's how to create a game pass in Please Donate in Roblox. First, you need to go to create.roblox.com and then under creations, click creations here. Then you'll see under experiences, your experiences. Select the one you want and click on it. And then scroll down under monetization, click passes, and then click create a pass. Then you can change the image of your pass if you want. Then give it a name, give it a description, then scroll down and click create pass. Now, to make it public to people, to be able to buy it, you need to click on the pass you created, and then click on sales here, and then activate item for sale and give it a price, maybe 100 Robux, and then save changes. You'll be able to keep 70% of the price. And now if you open Roblox here, then go to please donate. You should be able to see your pass. And this is the pass here. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.